Today, guys, I'm going to show you a problem with the lift gate on this Suburban. You know, it doesn't stay up. It's a problem I've been ignoring for a long time. The problem is, you know, it works kind of okay in warm months, but when things get cold, it just won't stay up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can change out these gas struts. I'm going to change the one on this side so that hopefully it'll stay up enough so we can film doing the left side so that I won't have to get a helper out here. So let me go do that and we'll come back. All right, we've got one of these replaced, and even just with one replaced, it's enough to stop this guy from sagging. Basically, there's a gas inside these shocks, and over time it wears down. This one's probably long overdue. To replace this, there's two clips that hold it. You take a small flathead screwdriver and get it started. And I found that it's a little bit easier to get a bigger one in after you get it started and just get it pulled out. And then I'm going to do the same thing up here on the top one. All right, and just once you get it popped up, that's enough to release it from the stud that it's being held on by. Now I'm just going to take a small rubber mallet and go ahead and knock this guy out. Lift it up enough to get it out of the way, and it comes right off. Now, it's not enough for just one of them to hold it up, so it's going to go down for a sec. I'm going to come in here with a paper towel, and all I want to do is just kind of get any dirt. You can see there's like road dust on this stud. Get that off of there. Since we're going to put a new one on there, and we want to have a nice clean surface. It's also a good chance to look at these studs and make sure they're not all corroded. They should be nice and shiny metal, even on this 99 Suburban, 21 years old. All right, now I'll show you what we're going to put on to replace it. So, like always, I'm going to put a genuine GM part on here. This is part 159-839-22. This is the correct gas charge shock for when you have the rear wiper assembly. There's another one if you don't. That obviously can handle less weight. I don't think they make the other one anymore. This one can work for both applications. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this guy open and we'll put him on. And it depends on, you know, how you got this, how it's packaged. This one here is in one of these kind of vacuum pack seals. Just makes it a little bit more trouble to get it open. Sometimes it's in a normal poly bag. So you can see a close-up now of these retainers, right? They just grab onto the stud on both ends. So to install, super simple. We'll come up on top here and just pop it on, and then lift it up, twist it, and then lift it up enough so you can line the bottom one, and it snaps right on. And give it a test. If you got this thing right way, it should almost lift itself, just like that. It's like brand new again. And that's all it takes to fix this. Super simple. I hope this helps you out. If you run into some trouble, go ahead and leave a comment at the bottom. I'll try to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.